In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide pages on Google Sites. This is a simple but valuable skill that can help you streamline your site's navigation and control how visitors experience your content. Whether you're setting up a professional portfolio, a business site, or a personal project, sometimes you need to keep certain pages accessible to you but hidden from your site's main navigation bar. Let's jump into the process and see how you can easily hide pages on your Google site. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Google Sites editor where you have your website set up. Once you're in the editor, take a look at the menu on the right hand side. Here you'll find the Pages tab. Click on it. This is where you manage the structure of your site and where all your existing pages are listed. Clicking the Pages tab will allow you to see an overview of your site structure, making it easy to identify which pages you might want to hide. Next, as you're viewing the list of pages, hover over the page you want to hide from your navigation. You'll notice 3 vertical dots appear. This is a menu icon that indicates additional options for that page. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. This action will trigger a drop-down menu showing several options, and among these options you'll find Hide from Navigation. Select Hide from Navigation by clicking on it. By doing so, you're instructing Google Sites to remove the chosen page from your navigation menu. This means visitors won't see the page listed in the main navigation tabs, but it doesn't delete the page or make it inactive. The page remains fully accessible through direct URLs, and you can still work on it or link to it using other methods such as buttons or hyperlinks within your site's content. Hiding pages from navigation can keep your site looking cleaner and more organized, especially if you have content that's not relevant for all users or if you're working on pages that aren't ready for public viewing yet. Remember, if you ever need to reverse this setting and make the page visible again, you simply click the 3 dots again and choose Show in Navigation. And there you have it, you've successfully hidden a page from your site's navigation, helping you maintain more control over your site's appearance and user experience. Experiment with this feature to see how it can best serve your project's needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tips on optimizing your Google site.